Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing minimal prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Create a Python 3.8+ virtual environment, then pip install Torch or TensorFlow and Torch Vision for helpers. Once done, verify GPU availability with NVIDIA SMI and set device equals CUDA if present. This speeds training. Next, organize your dataset into train, val, test folders with one folder per class. Finally, write a simple data loader or use image data generator so you can feed batches to the model immediately. Now you build and train the network. Define a small CNN, stack conv2d, relu batch norm and max pool blocks 2 to 4 times, then flatten into a dense classifier. Keep parameter count modest to avoid overfitting. Use cross-entropy loss for classification and atom with a moderate learning rate like 1E3. Set batch size between 32 and 128. During training, apply augmentations, random flip, crop, normalization, to improve generalization, and monitor validation loss and accuracy each epoch to decide early stopping or finish by evaluating and deploying the model. Run inference on the test set, compute accuracy and class-wise metrics, then export weights or convert to oncs if needed. If performance lags, diagnose. When training accuracy far exceeds validation, you likely overfit, add dropout, simplify the model, or boost augmentation. Conversely, if both accuracies are low, increase model capacity, train longer, or raise the learning rate a bit. One quick troubleshooting tip: check data labels and class balance first. Labeling errors are a common silent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.